Hi everybody, so today we're just going to talk you through 3 things on how to network and what's the best ways to network. With networking, I think it's really important to give value and not only just receive value. So if you're giving content in your community, make sure you engage with other people who are giving content out. So it's just mainly helping your community that you're in and that you want to be in, and that's how you truly give value and network. There's 3 methods. The first one is in person. In person communication is seen to be not the best these days because everyone's doing things through social media, but believe me when I say word of mouth is so important and what people think about you is so important. So in-person communication can be incredible. You know, when you sit in your Uber rides or taxis and you start talking to people about different services and different people you've met, you can clearly tell that in-person referrals and networking is great. So with anyone you meet, share with them your goals, you know, share with them what you do. Very often people ask you, what do you do? And you just list the occupation you're in. So you'll just say accountant. But what you should be saying is, I help people, what service you do essentially. So for an accountant, let's say you can say, I help people reduce their stress when it comes to their final year tax. So really showing what you do and what your true value is really important in networking. Second way is LinkedIn, and LinkedIn is great. LinkedIn is so good because it has a lot of people in there and you can search like companies that you want to work with or people you want to see. So LinkedIn is quite good for that. Just make sure that again you're giving value. Also join in groups. So hopefully you're seeing this in our empowerment group, and this is a great way to talk to people, engage in the community and put your goals out there, so that people know what you're achieving and what you want to achieve, so that we can all help each other. So those are sort of my 3 tips and tricks and on how to network and different ways to network. If you find networking quite an interesting topic, let me know and I'll give you more in depth on exactly what to say when you're networking and exactly what to target and who to target according to your needs. So just let me know what you want in terms of networking, but those are 3 simple ways on how to build your network. And just to know, it's important to build your network, but it's also important to maintain your network. So just make sure you're maintaining that relationship, because maintaining that relationship is equally as important. You don't want to just build your network and lose touch with people, because they will help you in the future. So there you go. Have a good day, guys. Thank you.